Locations in Texas include Madison, Athens, Tanner, Elkman, Luster, Mooresville, Cartwright, Bellina, Frenchville, and Holmes. For your protection, interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties: Lionsville, Alabama. Madison County in north-central Alabama, eastern Limestone County in north-central Alabama, northeastern Coleman County in north-central Alabama, southeastern Morgan County in north-central Alabama, western Lincoln County in middle Tennessee, until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:20 p.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Ardmore to Holly Pond, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. This line of storms has downed trees across portions of northwest Alabama. Intact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations in Texas include Huntsville, Madison, Athens, Albertville, Boaz, Guntersville, EAS, Fayetteville, Moores Mill, and Meridianville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Limestone, Madison, Marshall and Morgan, and Lincoln, Tennessee.